Hi and welcome to this multi-part video series called Phone Right. My name is David Anthony. Now, if this is your first time here, welcome, and do consider subscribing because this channel is all about helping you go further and faster in business and in life. So let's get started.
Welcome back. You know, there's an interesting fact of human nature that is sometimes referred to as the psychology of the second impression. Essentially, what the psychology of the second impression talks about is the fact that we tend to remember the last thing that happened to us. Just as an example of that, take a look at this piece of videotape. It goes back just a few years ago when I was interviewing a client of mine named Wally. Wally was very, very different, and we were doing the interview for a number of reasons, not the least of which was that Wally was very sick and that he knew he was going to die in 2 weeks from this interview. In any event, something happened in the interview that we could never have predicted.
I've shaken your hand, that's enough. Oh, I go like that. Paul, what did you feel?
I felt...
What did you feel?
Oh, God, shock. That's a shock to start.
Yeah, but do you know why you felt that?
No, go ahead.
Because
it was bloody painful.
Do you remember the last time? Do you remember the last time when you sold something and a guy said, "Oh no, that's a bit dear. Why is it so expensive?"
Yes. Yeah.
You can remember that?
Sure I can.
Of course you can. Paul, when you leave here today, you will for the rest of your life remember that slap on the face.
Sure, you were absolutely right.
But I tell you what, 5 minutes before then, what was the good thing that we said?
What was the good thing? There you go, see? You've proved your point.
Now, that's the psychology of the second impression happening in a big, big way, isn't it? And the point is that so many companies put so much effort into creating a wonderful first impression, but in many cases, that's right where it stops. We want you to make it right where it starts. And applying Standard 6 will help you do that. Here it comes. Performance Standard number 6, leave them on a high. Now, you can do that in a myriad of ways. Just saying and meaning something like this is often all it takes.
Thank you so much for calling us, Tony. It was great talking to you.
Now, there are a lot of phrases that you can use here, phrases that fit your personality. But let's just listen to that role play again and see if you can spot something else that's going on. It's actually a last performance standard. See if you can spot it.
Thank you so much for calling us, Tony. It was great talking to you.
Well, you saw it in action. Our last performance standard is this. Performance standard number 7, hang up last. Now, of course, you can have fun with this last one by calling someone else on your team, and since both of you are observing the standards, then no one will hang up, and that's not good for productivity. What we're meaning, of course, is that you should be the last one to hang up when you're the one who's taken the call. And by the way, we find it truly is fun to call each other just for a while so that everyone on the team gets used to using the new skills. These standards that we've discussed here really do work. One company we know of calculated an increase of just on $21.9 million of additional revenue in 10 months just from using the skills alone. Now, I'm not sure whether you'll get exactly that increase, of course, but I can promise you that using the skills brings great things both personally and in a team sense as well. So, go to it. Make these skills yours.
I hope you got a lot of value today. If you did, click the like button. What that does is help us build our non-profit business school, UBLA. Check out in the description below to find out more about what we're doing and how you can help. This is part of a multi-part series, so keep your eye out for the next video. In the meantime, we've done a great playlist about how why do small businesses fail. Check this link over here, and this will show you a great little list about how you can be successful in business. So thank you very much. Catch you again soon.